Introducing today's past champions. A freelancer from Augusta, Maine, Jamie Logan. A bar owner from Los Angeles, California, Matt Glassman. And a high school math teacher and doctoral student from San Jose, California, Daniel Wynn. And now, here is the host of Jeopardy, Ken Jennings.
Thank you, Johnny. And welcome everyone to the conclusion of our first week of our first ever Jeopardy Champions wildcard. Today we welcome back season 37 and 38 winners Daniel, Matt, and Jamie to the Alex Trebek stage. It's been a couple years since we saw you, but you know what? You look as hungry for that Jeopardy win as ever. Good luck to all three of you. Let's find out what categories await you in the Jeopardy round. We have Canadian cities first up, then the gene pool, Dead Scientists Society, an old favorite, pick a number between 5 and 477. Then the virtues, each response here will be one of the cardinal or theological virtues. And finally, 2 words in 1. Daniel, you start us off.
Pick a number between 5 and 477 for 800.
All right. It's the atomic number of iridium. It also used to be a famous TV address on the Sunset Strip. Jamie.
What is 60?
No. Daniel or Matt? The show was 77 Sunset Strip. Back to you, Daniel.
Pick a number between 5 and 477 for 600.
There's a few numbers left. Oh, craps. On the first dice roll, I threw boxcars. This number. Matt.
What is 12?
That's right.
Canadian city, 600.
Also the site of the largest mall in Canada, this oil city of Alberta is the gateway to the north. Daniel.
What's Calgary?
No. Matt.
What is Edmonton?
You're correct.
Canadian city is 800.
Flooding in 1950 in Winnipeg by this river of the north led to the building of floodways there to bypass the city. Daniel?
What's a Platte?
No. Matt or Jamie? That's called the Red River of the North, to distinguish it from the other Red River. Back to you, Matt.
2 words in 1, 600.
1 piece of butter plus public group violence gives us this nation lover. Daniel.
What's Patriot?
Yes, Pat plus riot.
Canadian cities, 400.
Some pilgrims go on their knees up the steps of Canada's largest church, St. Joseph's Oratory, in this city in Quebec. Matt.
What is Montreal?
Yes.
2 words in 1, 800.
A Catholic religious service plus a standard unit of area gives us this wanton slaughter. Jamie.
What is a massacre?
That's it.
2 words in 1 for 1,000.
A shark appendage plus a type of beer gives us this musical conclusion. Daniel.
What's finale?
That's right. Fin plus ale.
Canadian cities, 1,000.
Fredericton is the capital of this Atlantic province. Daniel.
What's Prince Edward Island?
I'm afraid it's not. Matt or Jamie? It's the capital of New Brunswick. Daniel, you select.
Canadian cities, 200.
On the northwest shore of Lake Ontario, this city is home to about 10% of Canada's population. Matt.
What is Toronto?
That's right.
Dead Scientist Society, 800.
This American was a real rocket scientist, launching his first liquid-propelled one March 16th, 1926. Daniel.
Who's Goddard?
That's it.
Dead Scientist Society, 1,000.
E.I. Dupont de Nemours, founder of the DuPont Company, was a student of this French founder of modern chemistry. Daniel?
Who's Lavoisier?
Wow, that is correct, yes.
Dead Scientist Society, 600.
Answer there, Daily Double. Now, you're doing well in the category. I thought Lavoisier was tough. What do you want to wager here?
A true Daily Double, please.
Betting it all. Here's your clue. This 19th century Italian physicist lends his name to a law and a number relating equal volumes of gases and molecules.
Who's Avogadro?
Avogadro's number. That is correct. You're in the lead.
Dead Scientist Society, 400.
Henri Becquerel shared the 1903 Nobel Prize for Physics with these 2 other scientists. With the Curies, Pierre and Marie. Daniel?
Dead Scientist Society, 200.
This Russian famously conditioned dogs to salivate every time a bell rang. Matt?
What is Pavlov?
That is correct, Matt. You're now tied with Daniel for the lead. And you know what? We're going to take a quick break. We'll be back in just a moment with much more Jeopardy.